Today I've got something awesome for you. You know, I'm all about finding creative ways to earn some cash, and this one's a winner. Picture this. You watch an ad, you earn a sweet $1.22. Watch 10 ads, that's an easy $12 in your pocket. Now, let me introduce you to a game changer. Fire up that search bar and type in the name of this fantastic app, Aditi Slice. Snag the first result that pops up, or simply head over to adslice.com. Boom. This is where the magic happens, folks. You browse, and we pay, that's their motto. Just watch those ads and watch your wallet grow. Hold on, folks. Before you rush to sign up and start raking in those dollars, let's pump the brakes and do this the right way. You're in for a treat because I'm about to spill all the beans you need to know. But hey, don't just take my word for it. I've put this app to the test myself. I'll show you how I made it rain with this app. Now, here's the little bummer. This fantastic app isn't quite ready for mobile yet. But fear not, my friends. They're working on it. For now, it's all about web action. You'll need to grab yourself a handy-dandy plugin or extension. Slap that bad boy on, and bam! Banner ads will start popping up on the websites you visit. Want a sneak peek? Of course, I'll show you exactly how these ads are going to roll. All right, team, we're diving in. Extensions on, and we're ready to roll. Imagine heading over to youtube.com and boom! There it is, a slick banner ad from AdSlice. But we're not stopping there. Even Google searches become a money-making playground with more of these ads popping up. It's like an ad extravaganza on every site you hit. The golden rule? Watch those ads and watch that money pile up. No need to go on an ad-clicking frenzy either. The details are all laid out on their website. Just scroll down, get acquainted with the deets. Now, let's get you set up and hit Add to Chrome. A hop, skip, and jump over to the Chrome Web Store, and you're hitting that Aditi extension button like a pro. We're on the road to more money, my friends. Hit close and say hello to a future of cashing in with Slice. Alright, squad, we're almost there, and the excitement is building. We've got the extension installed, and now it's time to rock those final 2 steps. Step 1, sign up and claim your 10 free slices. And here's a little insider tip. AdSlice is like a hidden gem right now, so get in on the action before the crowd floods in. Hit that sign up button, enter your email and password, and agree to the terms of service. A quick email verification, and boom, you're in the game? Check out your spiffy dashboard. Step 2, let's connect that extension. Click Connect. Follow the simple steps, and boom, we're synced up and ready to conquer the ad world. Back to the dashboard, and we're all set. But hey, before we continue this epic journey, hit that like button and rep your country down in the comments. Your dashboard is your treasure map, revealing your account details, transaction history, and the ads you've conquered. And here's the kicker, it's perfect for beginners. No fancy skills needed. Just install the extension and let the money-making magic happen. Ads show up, and you get paid. Simple as that. Now, let me spill the beans on a little secret sauce. Now, check out that Payout tab. It's like the treasure chest of earnings. Depending on where you call home, you can cash out via PayPal or Bitcoin if you're in the U.S. And hey, for the international peeps, they've got more tricks up their sleeve. Visa's joining the party soon for the folks in the good old U.S. of A. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, team. PayPal's in the house for payouts, but here's the scoop. They take a 4% cut, so keep that in mind. If you're all about keeping that green, Bitcoin might be your go-to move. The choice is yours. Oh, and for my fellow info-hungry pals, there's a whole section to satisfy your curiosity about payment deets. Minimum payout? A mere 35 cents. That's like finding spare change in your couch cushions. Gamer alert. This is where it gets spicy. Check out Creator Mode. Connect your Twitch account and watch the dollars roll in as folks view ads on your stream. Content creators. This is your golden ticket to stacking that paper. Dive in, read up, and let's boost those earnings. And guess what? Let's dive into the crew action. Invite your friend is the name of the game. You bring in a pal, they get a cool 100 slices, and you? Oh, you're getting a whopping 1,000 slices when they've been active for 30 days. It's a win-win, folks. Copy that referral link and start building your money team. Connections is where you can multiply the earning fund. Got more browsers? Add them up right here. More browsers, more money, simple math. Now, I always like to do a little sleuthing. Let's check out those reviews. Even though AdSlice is fresh to the scene, it's making waves with an impressive average score of 4.6 out of 5 stars. 74% of the reviews are singing the praises with 5 stars, and another 18% chime in with 4 stars. Positivity all around, folks. Peek at what the community is saying, how much they're raking in. It's all there for you to see. If I were handing out stars, this would be a solid 8 or 9 out of 10 from me. Sure, it's not $1 million gig, but hey, it's free money for practically doing nada. Install that extension and let the good times roll. Alright team, let's talk speed and convenience. Withdrawing your hard-earned cash is a breeze. Ask for that money, and boom, it hits your wallet in less than 48 hours. Blink and you've got your dough just like that. And don't forget, you can start the withdrawal party with just a mere 35 cents. That's like pocket change in the world of earnings. Easy peasy. Sure, the PayPal fees aren't party, but fear not. Bitcoin's got your back, offering a smooth solution. We've got options, folks. Oh, and guess what? Chrome Web Store is buzzing with even more reviews, and the verdict? Mostly 5-star love. We're talking approval from Chrome Store itself. They don't mess around, folks. If it wasn't legit, it wouldn't be here. Trustworthy all the way. So there you have it, the scoop and the lowdown. Keep that extension locked and loaded, and let those ads rain down on every site you visit. Now listen up, because this is the beauty of it all. You don't gotta tap those ads if you don't feel like it. Yeah, you heard me right. Money rolls in the moment that ad banner shows up. It's that simple. Now, here's a pro tip for you savvy multitaskers. Got more browsers? Add that extension to each one and watch those earnings soar. It's like turning up the money-making volume. This is your golden ticket, especially if you're just starting out on this crazy journey. No skills needed, no fancy know-how required. It's the beginner's playground, and guess what? It's all free. Time to get that cash, folks. All right, superstars, you're about to embark on this money-making journey. But wait, the adventure isn't over yet. Click that like button and smash that subscribe so you're always in the loop for our incredible cash quests. And oh, ring that notification bell too, because you won't want to miss a single second of the next beastly money-filled episode. Get hyped, get ready, and let's make some serious dough. Thanks for hanging with us.